Good morning, children. I hope you all are doing good. Today, we are going to start our second lesson, that is 5 landforms. In this lesson, we are going to know about different types of landforms and the classification of landforms, and we can understand the lifestyle of people in different landforms of Tamil Nadu. Okay, children. So, we used to see the fields, houses, trees, stones, and the dry lands around our house. So, around our house, we can see many buildings, forest, trees, and stones, and the dry lands. And we see more features like this on the earth, like hills, forest, fields, seashore, and dry land. So, where we can see more hills, children? In mountains. So, where we can see the wild animals with more trees? That is in forest. And where the paddies grow? It is in agricultural land. Okay, so where you can see the seashore? Near to the sea and beach. So, what is the name of the useless land, children? It is fallow land. So, the place we see on the surface of the earth is called landforms. So, what is landforms? The place where we can see on the surface of the earth is called landforms. So, these lands are divided into different types according to the fertility of that land and also the people's activity. So, the land was divided into different types in ancient Tamil Nadu according to its fertility and the people's activity. Then, the physical features and landforms of Tamil Nadu. So, in the solar system, Earth is the third planet. So, Earth. We know already Earth is one of the 8 planets in the solar system. And it is the third planet which has oxygen and temperature. So, Earth is the third planet. It has oxygen and temperature to live. Therefore, we call the Earth as biosphere. So, why we are calling Earth as biosphere, children? Why? Because it has oxygen and temperature to live. So, we call the Earth as biosphere. So, the Earth is surrounded by 3 spheres such as land, water, and air. Earth is surrounded by 3 spheres such as land, water, and air. So, these are the 5 elements of nature, children. So, what are the 5 elements of nature? Land, water, air, fire, sky. I'll tell you once again, children. Land, water, air, fire, and sky. Then, we are going to discuss about land. The physical features of the land. It is also 5. They are mountain, forest, plain, seashore, dry land. So, what are the physical features of the land, children? They are mountain, forest, plain, seashore, dry land. So, the 5 elements of nature are land, water, air, fire, sky, and the features of land are mountain, forest, plain, seashore, and dry land. Okay, the landforms of Tamil Nadu. We are getting into the types of landforms. So, there are 5 types of landforms in Sangam age. So, there are 5 types of landforms in the Sangam age. They were divided on the basis of the work done by the people. So, it was divided according to the activities of the people. The work done by the people, the landforms in Sangam age were divided. So, I have told you there are 5 types of landforms. Out of the 5 Thinais, only 4 types were permanent. So, there are 5 types of Thinai. Out of those 5 types, only 4 types were permanent. The permanent Thinais were Kurinji, Mullai, Marudam and Neidal. So what are the permanent Thinais? Kurinji, Mullai, Marudam and Neidal. And the fifth land, Palai, was formed when Kurinji and Mullai dried up. It is not permanent. When Kurinji land and Mullai land dried up, the Palai land will be formed. The first landform that we are going to discuss about is Kurinji Land. Kurinji Land. The mountain and its surroundings are known as Kurinji Land. So Kurinji Land is surrounded with mountain. So the mountain and its surroundings are known as Kurinji Land. Now we are going to discuss about the theme of Kurinji Land. The theme, in Tamil it is known as Karupporul. In Tamil it is known as Karupporul. The theme deals with the god, people, occupation, plant, flower, animal, bird and musical instrument. So the themes are deal with the god, people, occupation, plant, flower, animal, bird and musical instrument. So here they have given the table for the theme. So the god of Kurinji Land is Murugan. The people of Kurinji Land is Kuravar and Kurathiyar. Tell me children, Kuravar, Kurathiyar. Then the occupation of Kurinji Land is hunting, gathering roots and honeys. Hunting, gathering roots and honeys. Plant or flower. So the plant of Kurinji Land is bamboo and vengai, and the flower of Kurinji Land is Kurinji flower. The flower of Kurinji Land is Kurinji flower. Then the animal and bird. The animal of Kurinji Land is monkey and deer. The bird of Kurinji Land is peacock and parrot. So finally the musical instrument, that is Kurinji Yar. That is Kurinji Yar. So the god of Kurinji Land is Murugan. The people of Kurinji Land is Kuravar and Kurathiyar, and the occupation of Kurinji Land people is hunting and gathering roots and honey, and the plant of Kurinji Land is bamboo, and the flower of Kurinji Land is Kurinji flower, and the animal is monkey and deer, and the bird is peacock and parrot. Finally, the musical instrument which belong to Kurinji Land is Kurinji Yar. Then the people and their occupation. The people and their occupation. The people of Kurinji Land is divided into 5. They are Poruppan, Verpan, Silamban, Kuravar and Kanavar. So they are Poruppan, Verpan, Silamban, Kuravar and Kanavar. So the occupation of these types of people are: Poruppan's occupation is soldier, Verpan, that is the leader of a tribe and also they are weaponist, Silamban, the master of martial arts, that is the art of fighting, then Kuravar, they are hunter and the gatherer, then finally Kanavar, they are the people of mountainous forest. So Poruppan, soldier, Verpan, the leader of the tribe and weaponist, Silamban, the master of martial arts, that is the art of fighting. You know Silambam children, that. Then Kuravar, hunter and the gatherer, Kanavar, the people of the mountainous forest. So the people and their occupations. Then finally the soil of Kurinji Land. The land of Kurinji was composed of red and black soils with stones and pebbles. So the land of Kurinji was composed of red soil and black soil with stones and pebbles. Here they have given some important hills. Go through that children. Then this is Kurinji flower. This is Kurinji flower and also it is known as a miraculous flower. The miraculous Kurinji plant grows well in the western Ghats. So it grows well in the western areas and the flower blooms once in 12 years. This Kurinji flower blooms once in 12 years and the month between July and September. Between the month July and September, this Kurinji flower blossoms once in 12 years. This has a medicinal value also. This Kurinji flower has the medicinal value also. So, Kurinji flower is also known as a miraculous flower. This flower grows well in the western Ghats and it blooms once in 12 years between the months July and September. This flower has medicinal value. Okay children, I hope you all have understood till this. Remaining landforms we'll see in our next class. Thank you children. See you all.